I just built an AI automation system that reads all your accounting documents, tax forms, invoices, receipts, and extracts the data you need into Excel, Google Sheets, or any accounting software like Xero or QuickBooks in minutes. No more hours of manual copying and verification. It automatically populates the data so you can manipulate it instantly and generate reports like this in seconds. If you're in finance or accounting, this automation will save you dozens of hours every week, eliminating manual data entry errors from K-1 forms, W-2 forms, tax documents, invoices, billing statements, and receipts. Let me show you exactly how it works. Here's my spreadsheet and sample K-1 forms. The system runs in real time. You upload your form, let's say a K-1 tax form, and it extracts every necessary field, then maps it directly into Excel. I'm running it now so you can see the process. We select the K-1 form, hit submit, and within seconds, it populates here. Watch as it runs. We can use this extracted data immediately for tax calculations, then generate the final report automatically. The system runs through a 4-step verification process to ensure every data point is accurate. Once verified, it pulls all required fields and maps them here. And there it is, just added in real time. Let me confirm the accuracy. Here's the original K-1 form. Partnership EN matches perfectly. Partnership SSN is correct. Now the numbers, 1260 is here. Interest income matches. Ordinary and qualified dividends, 95 and 95, completely accurate. Then we have 1,350 and 4,800 for distributions. Long-term capital gains right here, and every other critical number we need. From this step forward, we just run the system, it populates the input form, and Excel calculates everything automatically, giving us projected tax liability without manual intervention. Brief background. This was built for a CPA accounting firm. They help individuals file returns and analyze tax projections to optimize deductions and minimize tax liability. As you can see, it's an automated Excel workflow. We kept Excel because it handles calculations perfectly. The real problem we solved was this. Highly specialized tax managers were spending hours on low-level tasks, manually copying figures from these forms into spreadsheets. That's what we eliminated. The system extracts everything from K-1 forms automatically, and it works for W-2s and other formats too. Here's my second system for W-2 forms. I'm opening it now to show you it works across different document types. The process is identical. We upload the tax form. Here's a sample W-2. These aren't real numbers, just dummy data for demonstration purposes, since this is sensitive information. Select W-2 and it runs, populating the spreadsheet in real time. Within seconds, every field, employer name, employer SSN, employee name, federal withholding, state wages, state withholding, all extracted automatically, less than 1 minute. And look at the accuracy, nearly 100%. Jennifer Martinez, federal withholdings match exactly. State wages, correct. State tax withholding, perfect. From here, it feeds directly into Excel for calculations, saving massive amounts of time and eliminating human error. If you're an accountant or in finance, a system like this transforms your operations. Think about the math. If you go from 4 hours per day to 30 minutes per employee, that's 3.5 hours saved per person. With 5 employees, that's 20 hours saved daily. At $100 per hour, you're looking at $2,000 in daily savings. And the system is flexible. It's not limited to K-1s or W-2s. It can handle tax forms, invoices, receipts, billing statements, any document your business processes regularly. That's the power of this automation. We also built an automated reporting system. I won't show it today, but it takes all this data, analyzes it, generates insights based on actual figures, not AI hallucinations, and creates professional reports with charts and visualizations. Perfect for presenting to clients or stakeholders. If you want a system like this, we can build it for you. Free consultation. We'll show you exactly how it works for your business. Whether you're a bookkeeper, accountant, CFO, or finance leader, we can implement this. I'm Dave from Kitaflow. We've helped over 20 businesses in 2025 alone implement AI automation systems like this that drive real growth. If you're ready to understand where AI automation fits in your operations, contact me through the link in the description. And if you're an accountant or bookkeeper still doing manual data entry, copying numbers, manipulating spreadsheets, creating reports by hand, message me directly. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.